In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 460 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. It is less than 5, so we will consider the number 46. We know that 5 times 9 is 45 and this number is closer to 46. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. And we know that 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 460 divided by 5 is equal to 92. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.